Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can partition a storage device in Windows. Now before you start creating any new partitions, you should first back up any data that you have on the storage device. Now that is just to make sure that you don't lose any of the data on it, as there is always a risk of something going wrong and data being lost from the storage device. So it is important that you back up any data that you have on it onto a separate storage device just to make sure that you don't lose any data. Now once you have your data backed up, we can now start creating a new partition. So to do that, we're just going to come to the search bar and we're going to type disk management. And then we're going to open up the create and format hard disk partitions. And then in the disk management window, we're then going to find our storage device that we want to partition. So for me, that is my SanDisk USB here. So all I'm going to do to add a partition is I'm going to right click on the volume, and then I'm going to click shrink volume, and then in the amount that you want to shrink, that will be the size of the new partition. So I'm going to put mine at around 26,000, and that will make the new partition around 26 gigabytes. And then I'm going to click shrink, and now as you can see, we now have a 26 gigabyte unallocated volume here. So now we're just going to right click on the unallocated volume, and we're going to click new simple volume, and then we're going to click next, and then if you want, you can change the drive letter. I'm just going to leave mine on G, and then you can select your file system type and the name that you want the new volume to have. So I'm just going to name mine SanDisk USB 2, and then I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to click finish. And now as you can see on my USB, I now have two separate partitions. So if I come to this PC, as you can see, it now appears like the USB is now two different USBs. So if I just unplug the USB from the computer, as you can see, both partitions disappear. And then if I plug it back in, as you can see, both partitions reappear. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.